Well, contemporary style is, for me, it's just a wonderful style to design to, and the biggest reason for that is because it seems like there's no two of them that are the same. And it starts sometimes with windows, sometimes it starts with just the bones of the home, where the roof styles and so forth are really unique to themselves. When you do them right, they're just a wonderful finished product.
We needed function, and we needed form, and we needed beauty. And he was able to ask the right questions to bring out who we were as a family and how to fit that into the house. He did a fantastic job. After looking at a few projects, some of the houses that he had actually worked on, we fell in love with Frank Lloyd Wright's style.
Even if you go back to the 20s and the 30s and you look at some of Mr. Wright's work, you find the similarities in this home. A lot of the inside-outside sorts of materials, and we carried stone from the outside to the inside in various areas that were certainly a trademark of him. The corner windows, I'd like to claim responsibility for those in design concept, but unfortunately I can't. Mr. Wright beat me to that. Really, the biggest way to override what frequently is a cold assumption with contemporary is with material and color. There are a lot of natural finishes on the inside of the home in terms of the hardwoods that we used. The broad column at the front was in need of a fixture of some sort, so essentially we designed a metal fixture that was built specifically for this job, and we were able to take a lot of the looks that are very symbolic in this house, the railings, the corner windows, and we designed the fixture to mimic what you see throughout the house. So there at the very front, before you get to the front door, you'll start to pick up some of the themes and some of the design elements that are throughout.
You walk up to the front door. The door was custom designed with a kind of a design that matches the gate at the front. So as you walk up the home through the main entrance, you look all the way through the doors, all the way through the main living area. You can see all the way out to 11,280-foot Mount Hood.
There are definitely two different looks, and there's definitely Asian pieces in the home that do influence the Asian feel of the home. The windows are I just can't emphasize enough how wonderful these windows are in spirit with the objective of meeting that contemporary Asian feel. The windows themselves, if they operate, they were the ultimate casement windows. But the windows that are not operating windows are just large picture windows, and we do have a generous amount of sliding French doors in the home as well. And they not only provide great access to the view, but also to the outdoor living spaces, outdoor yard spaces, and so forth. Between the views, the amenities, and the performance, I can't think of any window we'd have been happier with.
Looking out the back windows at the mountain, as the sun went down, the mountain just kind of disappeared, and then the moon came up right over the mountain, and we were kind of chuckling and said to ourselves, all we need are some wolves howling, and it'd be a picturesque moment. That's just one example. As recently as last night, we were reflecting on the beauty of the outdoors as a result of the inside-out experience.
When you work with Marvin, they work with you like they're a small company in terms of being very, very responsive. And the people that we work with seem to be the same people. So when you communicate with Marvin, it's the same person. And I'm just anxious for the next project and test what Marvin can do.